Hello, wonderful people. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create your blogger website, and it's going to be a level by level class. Today, what we are going to do in today's class is we are going to walk ourselves through on how to create a blogger website and how to create a post on our blogger website. So that's what we will be doing today. So now, for anybody who is new to Blogger is one of the platforms with which we use to create websites in the academy. Um, we use Wix, we use Blogger, and we use WordPress. Are you with me? So we use Blogger is what I'm going to walk you through today. Now, if you want to create a website with Blogger, you are going to log on to www.blogger.com. Okay, it's loading. Now this is Blogger website. This is what it looks like. Now we're on Blogger website. You have two options here. Is either you sign in or you create your blog. Let's click on create your blog. So it redirects you to sign in your email address, the email address you want to use. Let me use one of my email addresses here. So after signing in, it will direct me to where I'm going to create my blog. Okay, now it's asking for a title here. Now the title is going to be, let's assume I want to create a website for IBP. So this can be IBP final solution. IBP final solution. So that is the title of my website. That is the title that's going to appear on browsers tab. So now the website link is where visitors they are going to come out, they are going to get to your website. Just like normal address, you give people your home address to get across to your home. So you give visitors your website address to get across to your website. So I'm going to make the website address IBP final solution .blogspot.com. Oh, it's available. By default, Blogger will add .blogspot.com to your web address, to your website address rather. Now, just like the way Wix add .wixsite.com, the same way Blogger also add .blogspot.com to your domain. Now, after that, you click on create blog. Now we are done creating the blog. Let's view the blog on this particular place. Okay, there is nothing here. Now I'm going to create a new post, but before I can create a new post, I need a website that has high blood pressure right up on it, so I can copy from it. High blood pressure website. Okay, let me use one of the websites we use in the academy. Okay, IBP. This is sample of IBP right up. Okay, so now here I'm going to create a new post for my high blood pressure website. I'm going to click on create new post. It's loading. Now I will start copying from here, from this junction. This particular IBP organic remedy is the title of my post. Now what I usually tell people is, whenever you actually want to create a blogger website, make sure you have your Microsoft Office Word in place, so that anything you are copying from anybody's website, you paste it on Microsoft Office Word before you paste it on your blogger editor. So now, um and when you are copying, you don't copy picture along with whatever you are copying from somebody's website. Copy only the text, then save the picture on your system. So I'm copying this text alone. Okay, so I'm going to paste the link right now. I'm pasting the link. Okay, I've pasted the link, the right up rather. So now I'm going to copy it right from here, and I am pasting it on my blogger editor. I've pasted it. Okay, you see IBP finally gone. Now the next thing here on this website is about high blood pressure. Make sure you copy every single text and you read through everything you are copying. Don't just copy, make sure you read through it. There may actually be mistake somewhere, or there may be some kind of grammatical error which you may see and correct. So that's why you need to read through all the information you are copying from somebody's website before you paste it on your own website. Okay, now I'm copying this entirely. I've copied it, so I'm going to paste it on my blogger editor. Now at this junction, after about high blood pressure, there's a particular image here. Okay, this particular image that is denoting somebody checking his BP. So I'm going to right click on the image. I will right click on it, so it will give me option. Then I am going to save the image, save image as. So I'm going to save it on my system where I can easily get it. Let me save it on desktop. So I've saved the image here. So I want to upload it on my website. When you want to upload the image, among the options you have here, this is link and this is image beside link. So I'm going to click on this. So if you ask me to choose a file, that is, I'm going to upload it, choose files. Then I'll go to desktop. I save the folder with blogger website. So this is the image. I'm going to click on the image here. I've uploaded the image, so I'm going to add it to my website, to my write-up. Okay, Okay. Okay, so I'm copying this. So I'm going to copy it from here, then paste it on my Blogger editor. So I want to add the image of aloe vera gel to it. I've not saved the image. Let me quickly save that aloe vera gel image. So I've added the image. So this is how you go about creating a post on your website. This is actually a very old website, so don't use this format by putting price and other things yourself. We've accumulated the price and we've done the homework for you. So what you just need to do is copy and paste. Are you with me? So I'm going to stop at this junction, so you can easily add other write up yourself. So today that's what we are going to be handling today on how to create a website with Blogger. And one thing I still need to touch concerning the image is when you click on any image on your Blogger editor, you can make it a very small image, you can make it medium size, you can make it large, you can make it extra large, and you can make it its original size. Are you with me? So now, and you can also align that particular image left, you can align it right, you can align it center. So I prefer to leave it on the left hand side at this junction. So that's what I'm going to be walking you through today on how to create Blogger website. Now the next thing here now is the moment you are done copying everything here, copying this particular template, okay, the next thing is we are going to publish the write-up. But before you publish, make sure you give your post a title. So I'm adding a title for my post now. So let me publish it. Now I've published the post. So the moment you publish it, you have the post and the title here. So now I'm going to move my cursor down to the post. Then you have three options. You have edit, you have view, and you have delete. Okay, so you are going to click on view to see what the post you just created looks like. So this is what it looks like. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so we are done creating a post from here. So this will mark the end of the training today on how to create blogger websites. In our subsequent classes, we'll be talking about pages, then followed by layout, followed by themes, followed by settings and other related things that are needed to be done when it comes to creating websites in the academy. All the things you need to do on blogger will be treated one after the other. So this will mark the end of the training tonight. Thank you very much.